I really hate food prep, but it's something that I know that I have to do in order to ensure that if I want to nourish my body adequately, that I've got all the foods that I need. This is something that I help my clients with as well, and I really understand how challenging it can be, first of all, to make sure that you've got the food in your house, and second of all, to then take, for example, the vegetables out of the fridge so that they don't go off and have to throw them away, and actually prepare something that you can eat. So I like to batch prepare ahead of time so that I've really got something that I can just grab on the go and add to my food that I'm making, whether it's at lunch or dinner time, to ensure that I have got a balanced plate of food. So right now I'm busy making a ratatouille with onion and tomato and baby marrow, and I've also made a soup with also baby marrow, zucchini if you come from somewhere other than South Africa, and carrots and celery and cauliflower. So this is all in my fridge and ready for me to be able to grab when I need it. If you are looking for ways to be able to nourish yourselves in a way that feels good, where you need some support and you need to understand what foods are right for your body, give me a shout. I'd love to be able to support and help you.